I am Umesh Mishra, your history teacher. Student, today we will discuss class 12 subject history chapter 4 of first book. And today's our topic a glimpse of Sanchi Stupa, and it is page number 81-82 of NCERT book, and it is part first of this chapter. Okay, student, see point number first. The Sanchi Stupa is made as a simple circular mound-like structure made of stone. Student, the Sanchi Stupa is located in the MP state, where this Sanchi Stupa made in a semi-circular mound-like structure, means like a buildings, where it was the memory of Buddha religion, and the Buddhists always following and respecting till the farm time, and they are going there for the worship of the Lord Buddha. So the Sanchi Stupa is very religious and shrine place for the Buddhist religion, and it is the symbol of the Maurya dynasty. Okay, student, point number second. Search for Sanchi Stupa. Europeans took interest in 1818. Students, the Sanchi Stupa had interested by the Europeans in 1818, means in beginning time of 19th century. Many European historians and archaeologists came in India to search the important structure of India for the explanation for the glorious history of world. Then they gone in MP in Bhopal district. They had seen a destroyed structure of Sanchi, where peoples were going for the worship of Lord Buddha. Then they attracted to this building and started the survey of this stupa, and they had taken knowledge to the local people. What is this? Then people describe them, inform them. It is the shrine place or religious place of Buddhist religion. People are coming and they are devotee of the Buddhist religion. So student, this Sanchi Stupa came in the modern world for knowledge to the hard work of European historians and archaeologists, and they interested from 18th. Okay, point number third. The Sanchi Stupa was made or built by the Ashoka. It is very important knowledge about it. The Sanchi Stupa was built by the great emperor of Ashoka. Student, Ashoka was the great emperor of the Maurya dynasty. Previously, he was Sanatani, means Hindu, but later, when after one battle, he become the religious follower of Buddhist religion, because he want to search peace and means of life. So he became the devotee of the Buddhist religion, and he had done lot of work for the inspection of the Buddhist religion, and for the memory of the Lord Buddha, he had made the Sanchi Stupa in the Sanchi place. And Ashoka had given lot of help to the develop the origins and ideas of Lord Buddha among the peoples. Okay, student, point number 4. The construction. How constructed this stupa? Point number first. Each gateway has 2 square pillars. It is first objective of the Sanchi Stupa. Each gateway had 2 square pillars, and these pillars are the symbol of this structure. And point number B, the gateway of stupa curved with the balance and life of the Buddha. This gateway of stupa with curved with a good balance, and these gateways and the features of the Sanchi Stupa describe the life of Buddha. Ashoka had given lot of help to form the Sanchi Stupa, and lot of image made by the artist, and that image or describes the life of Buddha. Student, the Sanchi Stupa is the most wonderful ancient building in the state of Bhopal. Today, the Sanchi Stupa is located in Bhopal at the Sanchi area. Sanchi is the small village under the hills some 20 miles northeast of the Bhopal, which we visited. Anytime, any place, person can see the Sanchi Stupa. And the Sanchi Stupa had one European, name was Alexander Cunningham, stayed and surveyed these areas and examined and written the importance of Sanchi Stupa. And Sanchi Stupa had been given lot of knowledge about the work of the Buddhist and the life of Buddha in the Sanchi Stupa. This is very good example to the work of Ashoka and Buddhist religion. Okay, student, thanks.